Hello, this is Vance, and this is Tuesday, April the 11th, 2017. And this is the slow hand method for price action. These are the just early morning bite. Again, just a few minutes, just talking about what I see going into 9 o'clock open, RTH. It's right now it is just 8:30. I'm going to do a real quick review about what has happened overnight. We have this really 30-tick rotation from the high of the overnight, which is 53.22. The low is at 52.83. Really about a 30-tick rotation that we've had in the overnight. And as a result, I mean, I use this 30-tick this line here, you can see just 30 ticks up and back. One really key element here is that this move right here, this 30-tick move plus that occurred this morning. So this was a real flood of orders that came in, drove selling down. And if I look at the time from this, it is from 4:12 to pardon me, it's a little long, 4:39. So, pardon me, 20 minutes. So 20 minutes down to here, the same move in the opposite direction is from 4:39, and it peaked out at roughly 7:06. So this is over 2 hours. It's 2.5 hours for it to get this far. It took 20 minutes to drop down here, which is an indication that this decline is really a lot of sellers coming in all at once, and this is what really drove price down. Will that occur again? My thoughts is that if you're looking at this, you can see one thing, that even though price was driven down to this level, there was recovery. You know, buyers started stepping into the market, attempted to go down again, and right now at 8:30, we've had this since for the last, well, let's see how long we've had this since 7:44. We're coming up to an hour. So this is 7:44. Right now it's 8:30. We've had this really tight little range here that has actually occurred. You know, we had it looks like it's double topping right here, and it's already about the double bottom is right this area. So price comes up, down, and is right at this area. Now, I put these two 15-tick stop boxes because it's really an indication, as I've talked about, of where price is. What we're trying to figure out is where price is going to head really at the open, which is roughly 25 minutes from now. Is price going to go from this area? Is it going to head up higher to get our first targets, or is it come down lower? Now, because price is now rotated up somewhat, the entry point is a little bit higher. So as a result, if we look at it from using the 15-tick stop box, here's at the top and here's at the bottom. What we're looking for is where's our stop going to be if we're going to go long, or where's our if we're going to go short, where's our stop going to be in the opposite direction. So where's the tendency right now? Really don't, because it's early morning, because it's before the RTH, I'm not really too sure. I would think that we'd be looking for a test at this bottom area, perhaps down here. Or, you know, maybe a resistance at this area, and maybe price turning down into here, or perhaps breaking through and following through. Remains to be seen. I'm just looking at what closer to the hour, what direction will happen. Just like yesterday, talked a little bit about that, about where price was going to open and what direction I was looking for. Turns out that most of the trades that I saw yesterday were longs. Might be completely opposite. It might be mostly shorts today. But again, I'm going to wait closer to the 9 o'clock hour as we approach the RTH to see how price responds to these areas that I've drawn in here. And so I've got first couple of swings off the top, first couple of swings off the bottom, and looking at, you know, how price is going to react near this this trend channel line before I would make a decision of whether to go long or short at the moment. And keeping in mind where my stop is, and keeping in mind what the average rotation would be for 30 ticks. So that's it. That's what I'm looking for. Hope that gives you some perspective about what I'm anticipating as we get closer to the 9 o'clock hour. This is Vance. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.